Chilling new study has sounded the alarm on a hidden threat lurking in the air we breathe. Pollution is not just choking our lungs, it's now being directly linked to premature births. Researchers have identified two dangerous substances, cortexolone and ISO-PE 20:3, that could be silently increasing the risk of early deliveries even with the brief exposure to polluted air. Published in the journal Environmental Science and Technology, the groundbreaking research sheds light on a terrifying reality that pregnant women walking through traffic-laden streets or simply stepping outside during a pollution spike may unknowingly be polluting their unborn child at risk. The study's lead author Donghai Liang from Emory University emphasized this is the first time we have traced the exact biological pathway through which fine particulate matter can elevate the chances of adverse birth outcomes. The findings are more than just scientific jargon, they are wake-up call. These pollutants don't just float in the air, they pierce the placenta, invade the womb, and tamper with fatal development. This silent infiltration has already been linked to low birth weight, developmental delays, and even long-term cognitive impairments in children. And it gets worse. Air pollution doesn't need weeks or months to do damage. The study reveals that even short-term exposure can trigger dangerous biological change in expecting mothers. In cities already drowning in smoke, this could mean thousands of premature births are being caused or worsened by the air alone. How to protect yourself and your baby. Monitor daily air quality levels using AQI apps. Avoid going out when the index is poor. Use indoor air purifiers and keep windows shut during high pollution days. Avoid high traffic roads and industrial zones, especially during peak hours. Prioritize a diet rich in antioxidants like vitamin C, E, and omega-3 to combat oxidative stress. Consult your doctor about additional protective steps if you are in a high pollution area. As global pollution levels surge, this study drives home a brutal truth. Our environment isn't just sick, it's making our children vulnerable before they are even born. It's time governments, city planners, and healthcare systems act before every breath turns into a potential risk for the most fragile lives.
For more updates, subscribe to our YouTube channel TSW News. News that reveal the truth.